Hey everyone, it's Chris from ActiveMe360 and I'd like to welcome you to today's Active Maths quiz. Coming up we have a maths quiz for you, however there's a bit of a twist. There will be 10 questions for you to answer, but instead of writing your answers down, what I'd like you to do is match your answer to the movement shown on the screen. For each question there will be 3 possible answers to choose from and each answer has a corresponding movement. Try to work out your answer before the end of the question and join in with the movement and try to win yourself a point. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with the quiz. Here's your first question. Question 1 is to do with fractions. What I'd like you to do is convert 7/3 into a mixed number. So convert 7/3 into a mixed number. I'll give you some time to work out your answer. So if you think the answer is 1 2/3, then your movement is star jumps. If you think it's answer 2 1/3, then your movement is jab punches. And if you think it's answer 3 1 1/4, then your movement is pendulum legs. And if you thought the correct answer was answer 2 and you're doing jab punches, well done, you are correct. 7/3 as a mixed number is 2 1/3. Okay, question 2 is about number sequences. And the question is, what is the next number in the following number sequence? The number sequence goes 64, 56, 48, 40 and 32. What is the next number in the sequence? Remember, if you think it's answer 1, then your movement is windmill. If you think it's answer 2, 20, then your movement is running on the spot. Or if you think it's answer 3, 24, then your movement is donkey kick. Okay, a few more seconds, keep it going. Okay, and the correct answer is answer 3, 24, which is donkey kicks. If you're doing the donkey kicks, well done, big high five. Okay, moving on to question number 3. Question 3 is a multiplication question, and I'd like you to work out the answer to this calculation. 312 multiplied by 3. 312 multiplied by 3. I'll give you a few seconds to try and work the answer out before I give you my answers. Okay, so is 312 multiplied by 3? Is it answer 1, 912? If you think it's 912, your movement is star jumps. Is it answer 2, 936? If you think that's the answer, then your movement is burpees. Or is it answer 3, 948? In which case your movement is high knees. And the answer to 312 multiplied by 3 is answer 2, 936. Well done if you were doing those burpees. Give yourself a high five and an extra point. Question 4 is a missing number question. The number question is 47,603 equals 40,000 plus blank plus 600 plus 3. What is the missing number? If you think it's answer 1, then your movement is bouncing on the spot. If it's answer 2, your 700, then your movement is a balance. And if it's answer 3, 70, then it's spotty dogs. The answer is 7,000. The missing number is 7,000. So 47,603 equals 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 3. Well done if you were bouncing on the spot there. Good work, everybody. Question 5 is to do with rounding numbers. 47,653. I would like you to round 47,653 to the nearest 100. If you think it's answer 1, 47,700, your movement is butterfly. If you think it's answer 2, 47,600, your movement is backflips. And if you think it's answer 3, 47,650, then you should be performing that balance. Congratulations if you said answer 1, 47,700, and you were doing the butterfly. That is the correct answer. 47,653 rounded to the nearest 100 is 47,700. Question 6 sees us move on to addition. What I'd like you to work out is, can you add 6,913 to 3,754? I'd like you to add 6,913 to 3,754. If you think it's answer 1, your movement is pendulum legs. If you think your answer is answer 2, it's bend and shoot. If you think it's answer 3, it's that balance again. Well done if you're doing some bending and shooting there. The correct answer is answer 2, 10,667. Question 7 is about percentages of an amount. So a table normally costs £130, but it's now reduced by 10%. How much is the table now? If you think it's answer 1, then you should be smashing out those star jumps. If you think it's answer 2, it's jab punches. And if it's answer 3, you should be showing us those pendulum legs. So the table that costs £130 is now reduced by 10%. How much does it now cost? The answer is answer 3, £117. Well done if you were smashing out those pendulum legs. Okay, question 8 is to do with square numbers. What is the square number of 6? What is the square number of 6? If you think it's answer 1, 36, should be showing us the windmill. If it's answer 2 is 12, running on the spot. And if you think the answer is 3, 60, then should be donkey kicks is your movement. And the answer to question 8, well done if you're doing the windmill movement. The square number of 6 is 36. Almost at the end now, not long to go. Question 9, our second to last question. Zoe's car costs £1,749. Whitney's car costs £2,300. What is the difference between the cost of the two cars? If you think it's answer 1, 531, then your movement is star jumps. If you think it's answer 2, 651 pounds, your movement is burpees. And if you think it's answer 3, 551 pounds, you should be doing those high knees. So the answer then, the difference between the cost of the two cars. Zoe's car costs £1,749. Whitney's car costs £2,300. The answer is answer 3, £551. Well done if you were doing those high knees. Great work. And on to the final question, the last one of the 10. And it's a division question. What is 0.58 divided by 10? 0.58 divided by 10. If you think it's answer 1, bouncing on the spot. If you think it's answer 2, show your answer as the balance. And if you think it's answer 3, then show us your answer as the spotty dogs. Well done if you were smashing out those spotty dogs. If you're doing spotty dogs, you are correct. The answer is 0.58 divided by 10 is answer 3, 0.058. And that is your 10 questions. Well done, everybody. Thanks for taking part. Great job. Okay, so well done, everybody, and thanks for taking part. I hope you had fun. If you were keeping track of your correct answers and have a score out of 10, then maybe you can try and beat it when you join us again for the next Maths on the Move Active Maths quiz.
The world around us is changing. You're faced with the new challenge of homeschooling your children. For some, this is a worrying prospect, and for those who are expected to work from home, it's a near impossible task. We worry that our children will fall behind, especially in the core subject areas of English and maths. Adding variety to your daily routine, whilst keeping your children motivated to learn and remembering to stay active, can be really difficult. The Mighty Maths home learning platform has been developed to help you right now. It keeps your children motivated, boosts confidence, and improves attainment in the fundamentals of maths through fun and frequent practice. Using the concept of active learning, Mighty Maths combines fun, on-demand videos to keep your children active, with short sets of varied maths arithmetic challenges. Written by teachers and used by primary schools nationwide, Mighty Maths has been developed in line with the national curriculum, so you can rest assured that the questions your children are tackling are appropriate for their age. And using it is really straightforward. There's no need for any printing. Simply select your video, work out with Tom, and then tackle the maths questions, all on any device. The answers are waiting to be revealed, meaning your children can evaluate their progress straight away. We want to help as many households as possible during this period, so we've reduced the price from £60 to just £5 until the 22nd of May. This gives you access to a library of workout videos and maths challenges for your child to tackle. And to keep things fresh, content is updated every 20 days. And like you, we want to support our NHS heroes however we can, which is why £1 of every Mighty Maths purchase will be donated to the NHS. To start using Mighty Maths in your daily homeschool routine, sign up today.